because we are facing the last 4 months of the year and we have to be prepared mentally.
GBP and SD, it's probably about to hit stop loss.
This wild movement, as you guys can see right now, it's the interest rate of CAD that they are maintaining.
Socra, malo.
Assalamu alaikum family, hope you're all doing well. New month, new opportunities, same goal, but different vision because there are a lot of things that we have to improve. Some of them are risk management, discipline, and a lot of patience when we are in a trade. And don't mix different strategies in the same funding account because that is not what matters. We have to have some statistics in one strategy and focus on that one and the other strategy in another account. We are facing a week of very important news, and that is going to shake the markets. On Monday, we have Labor Day in the United States and in Canada, so this is a festivity. On Tuesday, we have S&P Global as manufacturing PMI that came positive. We have a ISM manufacturing PMI that came positive and manufacturing prices that came negative. On Wednesday, we have interest rate of Bank of Canada. They are cutting 0.25%. That is very important. And we have job opening that came negative. Take a look at that. That is a little bit of controversy. Because of Monday, we have holiday. They passed the ADP non-farm employment change to Thursday. Normally, Wednesday quota. 136K in comparison with the previous one. That is positive. Initial jobless claim, there is nothing. S&P Global Services PMI that came same as the previous one. ISM non-manufacturing PMI that came negative. The next one is without any forecast, and the crude oil inventory same. On Friday, we have the most interesting data, that is NFP. Average hourly earnings that came positive. Non-farm payrolls that came positive, and unemployment rate that came positive. We are facing a very interesting news for USD. They are willing to have some recovery, that bullish reaction, that bullish momentum this month for USD because they are cutting interest rate. The non-farm payrolls are coming positive, and we are expecting to have some bullish reaction on DXY and negative reaction on all the pairs against USD. Let's take a look fastly to the 2 stars news. In this case, we have on tomorrow we have some positive news for our building approvals. We have this news as well come positive. We have CPI on CHEF that came positive in comparison to the deflation. Okay, it's a good sign. And we have GDP that came 0.5. We have GDP GR that came negative, and the monthly came 0.2. This is positive. This is negative for the long term. That is what we used to it. On DXY, we were having a bullish reaction, but I removed it because I was filming the screenshot. But the result of sharing the screen with another platform was totally different. So I have to do some schedule, and I have to remove all the things that I have previous and focusing on what I want to show you now. We are facing a bullish reaction after hitting this point 100,500. Let's gonna remove all, and we will have the setup clean. So we are willing to have a bullish reaction on DXY. USD CAD nothing, but we will be expecting having a bullish reaction. USD CHEF nothing. There is no entry point yet, so nothing to take. GBP USD after hitting the first stop loss, that would be in this area. We are looking to have some shorts right over here. GBP and SD would be the trade of the week. Same as I predict last week. On Friday, we have a short right over here. It was the short, so maybe it go all the way down, hit TP, and then we have to update our entry point, but we'll be looking this entry point for this week. I clean out the setup because I prefer to have in this new month all the clean setup and don't focus on what happened in the past, focus on what can happen in the future. Euro out is totally different against Euro. Okay, all the pairs against Euro are all the pairs against USD are going down. Euro out can go up, and that we can see in mataf.net. Let's take a look. Euro out in 4-hour time frame has correlation 91% in Euro card. Euro and SD and GBP NSD. Also out NSD and EuroCHF has the same correlation, but USD CAD जैसे हम इधर दे सकते हैं correlation है, तो हो सकता है कि if you have some bullish reaction on DXY, we have a bullish reaction on Euro out. Euro out, we have to consider 2 points, okay, and the both of it would be a short in case of something happen. लेकिन हो सकता है कि this week हम ट्रेड ना ले Euro out में. That would be the short कि हो सकता है कि अपडेट करना पड़े, and that will be the long in case of give me some confirmation, some strong confirmation. EuroCAD, that would be fantastic idea for this week because we have interest rate that they are cutting 0.25% on CAD, and that will be the trade of the week. One of the trade can be this one, and out GBPY would be the other trade of the week. Clean setup will be looking right over here. It's going to be very intense because of the data that we have. Tomorrow will be like a Sunday because it's holiday in USD for USD. But yeah, what matters the most is having discipline, having patient, because we are facing the last 4 months of the year, and we have to be prepared mentally for all the chances that we can have. And stimuli in my personal account, taking the chance to take, if we have a confirmation to take 2% of in an entry, we have to take it. This month of September is looking very good. That is what I am feeling right now, and let's go for more profits. See you Monday.
Today is festivity in the United States, so we are currently in the New York section on Monday, 2nd of September 2024. Out GBPY, I can't talk. I just update the new entry because it create a new support. GBP NSD, it's probably about to hit stop loss as we are looking into it. Euro CAD probably give us the chance to take a short over here. Maybe yes, maybe no. We have to look at it. The most important news for today is that RBA won't copy the Fed on 2024 cuts houser. That means the Bank of Australia are not willing to rate cut on this month of September. They are willing to do on maybe the next month because the CPI is still very higher than the 2% that they are willing to have. So they are still in 3.5%.
दोबारा पानी आने लगा है चिराग में. This is not food at all.
Let's talk about what happened today on Tuesday. This big candle in the session of Asia and on London, and we hit a stop loss on JP NST. We are in another position, and that is EuroCAD that was giving me good pips, but we have a strong bullish momentum in the London session, and we are right now in drawdown. Let's see what's happened because tomorrow it's rate cut of 25 points in CAD. Let's hope we have some kind of reversal from here. Jobs numbers in August 2024, 180k. That is something good for the market. Let's see what is going to be the final result on Friday on the NFP. It's more important right now, the NFP in comparison of the unemployment rate. Además, de verdad. ¡Ah! Yo creo que toca dos, ¿eh? No, ah, qué librada. Socra, malo.
What's going on, everybody? Yesterday, I couldn't talk much about what happened in the market because my whole day was dedicated to my friends Socra and John. Let's take a look at what happened yesterday in the market because we took some trades that didn't go so well. The only stop loss we have this week is on GBP NSD. We have this stop loss on GBP NSD, and now it create a bullish reaction. ये मैंने ट्रेड लेनी थी लेकिन ये ट्रेड मैंने फाइनली नहीं ली थी इसलिए क्योंकि I was not confident at all, so it was better to don't take it. EuroCAD, this wild movement as you guys can see right now, it's the interest rate of CAD that they are maintaining. 30 सेकंड रह गया, न्यूज़ देखते हैं कि क्या होने वाला है मार्केट के साथ, तो उसके बाद फिर हम दूसरा कुछ करते हैं. ADP, it came 99k in comparison of 144k that we were expecting. We are in Euro USD that it's probably going to hit the stop loss. Let's see what happen. जो आउट कार्ड मैंने ब्रेक इवन मैंने फिनिश कर दिया था, ये वाली ट्रेड जैसे आप इधर देख सकते हो, आई वॉज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट एट ऑल, क्योंकि ये वाली मूवमेंट भी हुई थी, फिर उसके बाद ये वाली मूवमेंट हुई थी. एंड देन आई पुट दिस ट्रेड राइट ओवर हियर yesterday at night after coming back from being with my friends, and right now we are 30 pips. Let's see what happened on the news that we have in 15 minutes and tomorrow that we have non-5 payrolls. One of the member of Bank of Japan told us that they keep lifting rate if price data allows. Canada cuts rate by 0.25% a third time. Canada 0.75%, UK, China, and Euro and Denmark cut 0.25%. And Fed is next. GVP Morgan last month forecast a 1% cut by November. It's look like the end of the year is going to be very, very interesting for the markets. Today is NFP day and it hit my stop loss in Euro USD that was about to hit stop loss yesterday, but it didn't. But today it hit a stop loss and now it's on my entry point, and that is something that frustrated me very much. Let's talk about what happened in the news. In the morning we have Euro for news for Euro GDP that came as the forecast, same as forecast, but the GDP, the second news came negative. Non-farm payrolls that came, they revised this from the past month, 89k. The forecast was 164k and it came 142k. The average hourly earnings came much better and the average hourly earnings came much better. What happened in the market? We are having a bullish reaction when the news came, and जैसे आप देख सकते हो, yesterday it started going all the way up with, we can't say some exhaustion in the price. इस point पे उन्होंने हमको core entry दी थी, but I didn't take it, and right now we are facing that it is a stop loss and now it came in all the way down. EuroCAD, the trade that I was holding in the beginning of the week, but I closed it because I was not comfortable at all. I closed it in break even, same as NSD-CAD. NSD-CAD, I was having a position right over here in the line, but in the morning before I went to the gym and then to the mosque, I decided to close the trade because it was 2 trades open and I was not comfortable at all, even though this is coming all the way down and अभी profit में होता, लेकिन I was not sure about that. Euro USD hit my stop loss and really hurt me. I was not expecting having that movement, but क्या कर सकते हैं. This week it was different because my friend Socra came and I was with all of the friends, but it was really good for us. And before finishing the vlog, let's see if there is any important news on Twitter. There is a 59% of the probability of have 50 points of rate cuts this September. So that means it's going to be wildly for all the markets. देखते हैं कि 2 हफ्ते में final result क्या होता है in the meeting of the Fed. There is no more interesting news. See you in the next vlog. I promise you to make a vlog talking about what happened to me on those months, and I will make it. I'm just figuring out how I want to do it, if I want to do it here at home or I want to do it in another place. See you guys. अपना ख्याल रखना, and let's go for more profits and try to become successful traders. Allah Hafiz.